So adding apps to the lock screen on your iPhone used to be a complicated process until Lock Launcher released. Now this app was in beta testing for 2 or 3 months, but it officially released and costs a whopping dollar to use. And in my opinion, guys, it's definitely worth that dollar. Anyways, when you have this app open, you hit the plus icon in the top right-hand corner to add your app. You're then going to choose your app icon, and then you're going to give it an action, which is for it to open. Now, I'm going to use Instagram as an example here, but I'm going to do 2 more after this. But to get these apps to appear on your lock screen, you have to go one step further and go into your wallpaper settings. Then you're going to want to add the widget, which is Lock Launcher, and then choose the one you created here, which is going to be Instagram. Now, when you do this, you're going to lock your phone up and you're going to see that it's right there. And what's cool about this is you can access these apps just from your lock screen, and it's going to take you to the app home page when you click on it. Okay, I said I'm going to do a couple more examples for you guys. And next here is going to be the App Store. Now, I'm doing the same thing here. And keep in mind, they have tons of app icons within this app called glyphs. So, I mean, you could search for them or you just add your own. All right, so here we go through the process. Also, if you have any questions about doing this, feel free to message me below in the comments and I'll get back to you. Okay, like I said, I wanted to make this a trifecta, so we're going to do one more example here with YouTube. They've got some cool glyphs in here for YouTube. Okay, cool. All right, so Lock Launcher, guys, I definitely recommend checking this app out. Like I said, it was in beta testing for at least 2 or 3 months, and, you know, I would definitely support these developers for sure. And I wanted to wrap things up here playing some more Jetpack Joyride 2 because I just love this game that much, so let's run it.